you're gonna go like this. Let's do the front raise. Front raise, put your left arm out, parallel. So you reach the person to the left of your shoulder. Then dress right, so you're dressing off the person to the right of you. And those in the backer ranks, dress off to the people in front of you. So I should only be able to see one person as I walk down. That's pretty good. Yeah, I guess that'll do. Alright, so when I say right, face, you're going to go like this. Right being the preparatory command, face being the command of execution. Then when I say left, that's the preparatory command. When I say face, you're going to go like this and do a left face. And when I say about face, right foot behind, spinning on your left heel, do an about face. Alright, let's practice. Right face, left face. We have some concerns for Mr. Howard. He does not want you guys touching the net, so you guys scoot over just a little bit. Also, I don't know what happened here, but I can see multiple people. Chase. About face. About face. Can I have my guest speakers come out now? Right face.
What is going on? Who's running this?
About face.
Attention! Right face! What is going on here? Why are people looking left and right? What's going on? Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling? Don't eye off me. Head straight. What are you doing? What's going on here? Hey, I see you. Whoa. Get down. Pay attention. Look up straight. Where are you going? Get up. Don't be up. What are you doing? Attention. Like this. Left, right, face. Oh, gosh. Hey, don't talk to me. You talking to me? Where are you going? All right, let's not. We're going to do left. We're going to do an half left face. That's it. Half where you should be looking at me. Half left face. About face. Whoa, what are you doing? What are you doing? You got something going on? You don't stop. Keep your legs together. Feet together. Let's go. About face. Oh my gosh, I saw so many people turn their way. We're going to do a lot of work in here, guys. A lot of work. You're either going to get smarter or you are going to get stronger, but I think you guys are going to get stronger. Hey, no moving. This is formation. No moving. No moving. What's going on here, guys? And why are you in line here? Why is everyone in line? Why are you guys not in line? What's going on? I didn't ask guys to look, so why are you not in line?
You can't move your head. Stand still. No movements. You guys ready to exercise? How many of you know what a side straddle hop is? Okay, a side straddle hop is the jumping jack. You ready for exercise? Right, I only did it in the half jack. Half jack is the same as the jumping jack. Half right, face. The half jack.
That means you guys repeat after him. So when he's going to do this, you're going to repeat exactly what he says.
The half jack.
The half jack. Louder!
The half jack. The half jack.
You are at the starting position.
The starting position is the position of attention. Indicators.
Repeat after him.
Indicators.
Louder.
Indicators. Exercise. 1, 2, 3.
1,
1, 2, 3.
2,
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
When you hear the inflection in my voice, that means it is the last count. And you respond with halt.
I didn't look like Aaron Hicks very well. I didn't better practice out with here.
And so every time when you finish a complete repetition, you're going to say how many you've done. 1, 2, 3. Without points.
When I say 1, you're going to go. When I say 2, pretty simple.
Everybody's screwed up.
The half track!
The half track!
Starting position, move. Indicators. Exercise. 1, 2, 3.
1,
1, 2, 3.
2,
1, 2, 3.
3.
1, 2, 3. 4. 1, 2, 3. Well, if you guys can't do this one, I got another good exercise. Front leaning rest position, move. The front leaning rest position is the position of the push-up. Front leaning rest position, move.
Come on, get down, get down, get down. Get down, get down. Make it work, make it work. Up, up, down, up. This is lay down. Don't do your rest. Let's go up and down, hold it.
Indicators. Exercise. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
All the way down.
1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. 1, 2, 3. 5.
Off the ground, hold it, off the ground. What are you doing? Everybody's in here for 10 seconds. Off your knees. Why are you on your knees?
Position of attention. Move. When I say dismiss, you're going to step back with your left foot. Look both ways, see which way is your quickest exit, and go take your seat. Dismiss.